What's good, bro? What's good, y'all? Share my shit. My shit should be public. About to get it in. What's good? What everybody into? I'm knocking out homework and shit. Talk to me. What y'all up to? Oh, my shit starting to get a little slap. Hey, you can't fuck with me at all, Moon. Don't even play with that. I'm just keep it real with you. I seen your macaroni. I'm fucking with you. But I ain't fucking with you. I'm be real. I'm standing on my shit. You ain't fucking with me. Let's be real. Tell them about you can't cook, though. I'm the motherfucking truth. Pop my shit. Ain't nobody Thanksgiving dinner gonna be better than mine. I'm doing mine for the indigenous people like myself. Let's have Thanksgiving. Me, you, the babies, the bros, the sis. You know what I'm saying? We can do it for mama. You know what I'm saying? Big Red. And you can get fucked up. And somebody gonna get cussed out that night. Not saying me and you we might cuss somebody else out. We can play it like that. Nah. Getting somebody ass together too. We ain't celebrating Thanksgiving. We ain't doing that. I'm just saying we can cook that day because most people gonna be off. I'm gonna be off and shit. We can just politic. Ain't no celebration or the horrors of this country and shit. You know, smallpox and all that shit. We ain't gotta go all deep on them. But yeah, we definitely do that. Shan be cooking too. Shan don't want no smoke. She definitely don't want no smoke. Shan, you can get fucked up too. Shit, you can be in my crib, it don't matter what crib. Like, on Paid in Full. Uptown, downtown, east side, we can rent an Airbnb. You can get fucked up wherever. Nah, what's up? Shan, you want some smoke? Cause it ain't gotta be just two people. And I'll fuck you up in bacon. Man, Shan, man, now boy. I know you with the shit. That's what I'm saying. Pull up. Moon said she heard you can cook, but can't fuck with her. So now look, there's a challenge. You got two challenges. Come get fucked up. Come get some smoke. Who else wants some smoke? Cause I don't see nobody else that probably wants some smoke. Talk to me. I got 15. Who else wants some smoke? Anybody else want some smoke? We calling everybody out, sis. Shit, you can get on the live, send a request. Yeah, I tried to like just automatically what's the name? How that shit work? Alright, well, I don't know how to do this shit. It looked like it was about to try to block you. Yeah, all smoke. All I want all smoke. And we smoking shit. Yeah. You gonna get fucked up. You better watch some YouTube tutorials, read some books. Look, I'm gonna be in the kitchen like this. What we cooking? Cause we ain't doing no turkey. Fuck all that. Like you said, fuck all that. We ain't doing no turkey. What we cooking? What the challenge is? Or I can just make the other way and all that shit. I can come heavy lasagna. Matter of fact, we both can make some macaroni and cheese too. We can make some fat shit. Diabetes have niggas the next week. Everybody eating vegetables. Where the smoke at? I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on over here. Alright, she said damn. Shan said damn. Oh, Jazz, you can get the smoke too. Y'all. Hey, come looking like how you looking your profile picture in this little motherfucker. You definitely getting fucked up too. You can bring your people and you know what I'm saying? Everybody get fucked up. You more than welcome. Nah, we ain't gotta cook nothing big, cause since we all cooking, everybody, you know what I'm saying, cook some proportional shit, and that's gonna feed a lot of people. And that's how we plan it. But I got these right here, the Juliana cut fucking onions. I got the potatoes boiling. I got the grease sitting, waiting on this damn chicken to get done. I'm about to saute these damn Juliana onions. I got the chicken almost done. That shit got about like 10 more minutes. And yeah. No, don't be just laughing and shit, cause we talking serious. We don't play about food. Tell them, Mo, shit get real. You get hot in the kitchen. People in that bitch ready to fight. You think people fight over spades? We ain't gonna fight nobody. I'm just talking shit. But yeah, shit get real in the kitchen though. Man, I'm getting this shit together. Shit, I'm doing my final right now, and I just wanted some entertainment while walk this shit down. But yeah, trust me, sis, I'm getting this shit together. Y'all laughing at her. I'm all cat. Ain't no, I got a cap on. You right. That's all it is. You with the shits. With Jasmine, what you good at cooking? You talking to me like you want the smoke. What you good at cooking? Talk to me. Let me see what we gonna get together. I wanna burn y'all up with some lasagna movies. Then she doing something with the mac and cheese. So I kind of wanna make some damn mac and cheese real bad, just to shit on her and have her family and everybody in our family, the cousins, the bros, the sisters looking at her like she crazy. Like, oh, I thought you was special. You know what I'm saying? You only a bully till a real bully come around. You know what I'm saying? You the hardest nigga until the hardest nigga come around. You feel me? So, you know, Moon a bully in the family. I know how to bully a bully. What's happening? I'm gonna pull up like, what's up? Who wants smoke? So yeah, I ain't picking on one person. Everybody can get it. You on this video, you can get smoke too. So who else wants some smoke? I gotta go back. Okay. Everything. I bake too. I'm just not real good at icing cakes, but the shit get done. You feel me? That's what happened. Nothing. We just trying to see who with the shits, what's going down, what people cooking, what we doing. That's all I'm trying to figure out. Who all want the smoke? That's what we doing. We calling motherfuckers out. So right now we got Jazz, we got Shan, we got Moon Pie, Baby Moon Pie. Who else wants some smoke? There's 13 more motherfuckers on here. Who wants the smoke? Oh, my cake ain't never dry. Shit, I'm thinking about start making some edibles. Yeah, Shan, what we cooking? Okay, you making mac and banana pudding. Alright, cool. Alright, so we got mac and banana pudding out the way. What else somebody want to bake? I'll cook some meat. I'll cook some chicken. I love chicken. I could be a chickentarian even though there ain't no damn word. You know what I'm saying? Chicken and vegetables all day. Pastas, all that shit. Alright, so who else wants some smoke? We trying to figure out who all getting bullied. We taking we kicking ass and taking names. Who else want it? Charisma, you laughing, you don't want no smoke. You know what I'm saying? You might as well just delete your comment. You know what I'm saying? I love you, Charisma. You my dog. Okay, cool. I like that. Strawberry pound cake and pudding. Okay, cool. Look at you. All right, so what vegetables? I don't eat pork. I eat beef and all that other shit. I don't eat pork. I don't eat too much seafood, but I'm gonna try your shit. I don't eat shrimp though. So you know what I'm saying. So that's good that you running with the salmon. So I'm gonna fuck with that. You feel me? Shan, what you coming through? Because you getting the smoke. I'm coming with the chicken, though. You feel me? What vegetables we on? Because I know somebody going to make some damn greens. I'm going to do like some broccoli or some shit. Something simple. Matter of fact, I'm going to do some chicken. Somebody else make the vegetables. I'm gonna do some chicken and some lasagna. Okay, greens, that's good. Okay, whoop-de-whoop, it's fire. Yeah, okay. Where your supporters at, Jazz? Cause I need to hear about this pound cake. Cause the pound cake sounding real good right now. I need something now. Oh, Thanksgiving, Charisma, we coming for you. Oh, Mike. Yeah, that's a big Mike. Y'all want that smoke? Everything. Karma, we making everything. We just in this bitch talking shit. We focus on what I'm doing and shit for a few seconds. I'm about to get this together. Scale money. See where I'm at. Come on, all bullshit talking to y'all. Alright, cool. Hot in the kitchen. More hot than these niggas are snitching. I didn't have enough mushrooms, so I had to chop this shit up. So what's y'all best dishes and shit? Cause y'all gotta come hard and shit. Cause y'all gonna get dogged on Facebook. Y'all gonna probably block me. Y'all don't come heat. I'm telling y'all now. I'm talking heavy shit. Y'all can talk heavy shit about me too. I ain't gonna block nobody. And my page public. Y'all can tag me in it, and I'ma come comment on it. Y'all can be like, this nigga on some bullshit. Whoopie whoop with the food, but yeah. gonna fuck y'all up in this kitchen. So y'all can talk all y'all shit in the comments. Y'all about to see me pull a Jordan over that stove. Y'all ready? No cookbooks, definitely not. Y'all better come ready to stay y'all ass at home. I know y'all hear that. Onions almost done. That's big. Shallots. I don't know about that. 2 tablespoons of these. Put shit out the way. Chicken almost done. I add my little white wine. Hey, sometimes when y'all using these damn ingredients, y'all gotta add some extra shit because yeah, they be on all bullshit. Trust me. A lot of times it be these little Caucasian recipes and they shit don't bang like ours. Shit be all bland and shit. What's good, Ralphs? My dog. Onions almost done. Potatoes almost done. My chicken, I'm about to pull it out the oven. I'm gonna let y'all see it when I pull it out. Let y'all see what I'm doing. The stove. Let me pull the chicken out first. So y'all can see what's happening. Alright, y'all ready? Alright. So my potatoes almost done. This is the chicken I baked. This is shallots and mushrooms, some butter, the grease from the chicken, and some fucking white wine. My onions done. I'm about to pull those out. So now y'all see what's going on. Right. Yeah, my views going down. Damn. Y'all ain't talking. Y'all gotta keep my shit popping. What's up? It be your own people. Y'all gonna lead a block. My mama told me she think I should start doing cooking videos. I think I am gonna start putting them on my YouTube channel and shit. Show y'all how to get simple shit together. And I'm gonna show y'all how to cook quick meals and shit. This weekend I don't have school, so I definitely will get y'all together. Cool. I'm gonna get out real quick. Okay, pull it out. Tomatoes. Clean as you go. Always clean as y'all go. Easy, not hard. Smarter, not harder. Tomatoes, tomato. Get this together, clean a few of these dishes real quick. What y'all up to? What y'all eat today? What's y'all specialty? What y'all like cooking? What people like when y'all what's y'all the best response y'all get to certain dishes? I want to smoke with a lot of people that come in that just talk. I think y'all just going a lot into it, but no. That's how I feel though. I might be wrong, prove me wrong. I have faith in y'all. Y'all can be great. Your hands ain't clean unless they get dried off. Make sure y'all say y'all ABC. Get 26 seconds in that order. What's good, bro? What's good, cuz? I've been a chef my whole life. And I'm still working on it. I'm multifaceted. I gotta work tomorrow. I thought I was gonna be off. I was gonna pull up on your last night. Shit got canceled. I had to take one else to work at 5. Who want that smoke? I don't think nobody else talking stuff. These women got off my post. Everybody else got quiet. I know y'all want that smoke. Who wanna run when we in that kitchen? Hey bro, you gotta work in the morning. You all on my Facebook. Like you ain't gotta be there at 5 in the morning too. I'm about to show y'all my chicken and shit, so y'all can see how amazing I am. Not even just talking. I'm gonna show y'all how good I am with one hand. Okay, I was about to say, but y'all see this beautiful ass chicken? Look at that shit. Cool. Y'all see that? And with one hand, sauteing this shit. About to drop these onions in here. Y'all see it getting brown. And that's the goal. Let me see what y'all niggas talking about. Facts. You know that. My mac and cheese is way better. My mac and cheese is way better. I got that perfect consistency, that sound that I like to hear women make. You feel me? My mac and cheese killing yours. Don't do yourself like that. Come on, man. You're a mother. You gonna hurt. You gonna go in depression. You definitely don't want to do that. You want to stay with the living. You need to stay with the living. All right. This definitely. about to show y'all this chicken though. This shit, oh, this shit's so sexy. This shit sounds sexy, man. Yeah, I'm about to add some more fucking butter in this shit. I'm gonna add some salt. That wasn't some good. Salt, man. Ready? Y'all see y'all dog? Here you go. Y'all see that? Thank you later. JK, that's the president. Money Don't Sleep LLC podcast. What's happening? Ain't nobody tell me that they don't have it done, man. I remember one time they had me with this rice that had vegetables in it. JJ loved rice. JJ ate some of that shit. It was good. Everybody else loved it. JJ just don't like vegetables and shit. But he was like, he thought my mama did. He was like, the rice was real good. It had some vegetables in it. I said, dog, you pissed. Chill. You don't like that when you get older. Trust me. Women. Guys, tastes nasty when you go down there. Make sure you add some water and some vegetables in your life. You're gonna taste the difference. You are what you eat. If you fucking with a Coney Island, y'all see that. That's telling. But you fucking with one of them Coney Island niggas, you gonna taste them. Fatty ass Coney Island and greasy ass high cholesterol kids in your mouth. Thank me later. But y'all give me my roses while I'm here though. I know I'm entertaining. They go the chicken. They got the potatoes. They done now. Yeah. Turn the camera back on. I'm glad I ain't got one of them fucked up ass kitchens where y'all be ugh, I can't believe he showed that. Y'all know what happened next. Pop that shit in the fucking sink and wash it. And as you go, make sure y'all change out y'all damn dishboard. Because y'all be washing dishes with dirty dishboard and shit. Talking about the soap and shit. Them motherfuckers clean this next to godliness. dishes. This shit together. You are not your surroundings. You are better than you. Say it. Say root out. Make things better. Make sure our dishes clean too. A lot of people, y'all be leaving shit on y'all dishes and shit. On to another dish. I'm about to get out of here, y'all. Y'all be good. Y'all can watch my video and learn something. I'm gonna read these comments.